Sorry guys, my phone cut out. So we're back at this junction box, okay? And this is, I found it underneath the floor. But, so he's using a green wire nut here. And look, it has a hole in the top of it and everything. Let's see. Oop, there's the hole. Alright, so there's problem number one. And this is just a junction box I found in the attic. I'm going to put my headlamp back on, guys, so just give me a second here. It'll make it a little bit easier for y'all to see. Alright, so we have the hot wire. There's that. Alright, and now we have a neutral with a green wire nut. But look, here we go again with these grounds. Like, the guy just doesn't ground anything. Like, and yeah, you should, if this is a junction box, it should be grounded, okay? And I'm sorry that the camera's all messy, but listen, I'm not editing these things. So as I find them, I just put them out on YouTube. I'm going to just keep doing that because I want you guys to see the raw footage. I want you to see what I see. And then you'll realize what my opinion is of knob and tube and why it is that way. And it's because of situations like this. Like, this is ridiculous, guys. All right, let's open this up. So he at least twisted them, all right? Like, you don't need that much twist. You can cut it back and put the correct wire nut on it. But I'm going to eliminate it anyway. Thanks for watching. I can go into all the reasons in the world why not to do this. But if it's the homeowner has to demand better quality work for their homes. They have to demand that the guy either be licensed or you can get a journeyman's card, which is a smaller license, which then you can work underneath a master electrician. But if we start just going for the cheapest guy, we're going to get the cheapest quality. And that's just the way these larger companies work. If you accept an unlicensed guy in your home, these companies are going to continue to hire them. Supply and demand. If you don't care, they don't care. I don't think it's the fact that the homeowner doesn't care. I think the homeowner doesn't know. And the more I think they find out about the dark side of my business, I think maybe they're going to start realizing they need to get a decent electrician and, you know, start forming a relationship with, if you have an older home, you're going to have maintenance issues with that older home. And if you want it to remain as beautiful as it was when you first bought it, you have to have the correct type of contractor working in there. You get some of these guys out there that'll just do almost anything for 5 cents. You know, you're the one that has to live with that damage for the longevity of that house. You can't rewind damage. The moment it's done, it's done. And some of these walls, you're not going to be able to repair these walls as easily as one might think. But hey, that's for another video, another day. I got to get to this and get this done. Thank you for watching. Take care.